are many tasks that we need to do in the garden and around the home in order to keep maintenance at bay and make sure that we are keeping everything looking good. One of those is cleaning. Yeah, and I know you might think, oh, that's such a drag, you know, cleaning paving and cleaning fascia boards, those kind of things in the garden that you might need to do. And yeah, every now and then we've got to do it because there's safety issues with algae buildup, and plus it makes you have to paint a whole lot more. So what do you guys need? You need this baby here. It is a pressure cleaner, and boy, I love them. Once you start using them, you want to clean everything. You know, you can have people lined up there if you really want to, because it's kind of an addictive thing. You get sucked into it, it becomes mesmerizing. A couple of things that you need to know. Always find one that is easy and portable to be able to move around, so get ones with wheels on it that's easy to pack away. This particular model has 2 applications in terms of the nozzle, so you can do, this is quite a far jet, you can do a much more concentrated jet, and you can also adjust it here in terms of how much you want it and the intensity that you want it to spray with. And they're really simple to use. It's like plug and play. There's no nonsense, and put your hose pipe in, make sure you've got the right extension lead, plug it in, and off you go. Couple of things you want to make sure you do whenever you're using your pressure sprayer is to make sure that you're wearing closed shoes, just for safety, and always make sure that your water supply is constant and even. Remind the rest of the family that you are using this thing because you don't want somebody to turn it off and cut your water supply. Another really cool feature of this guy is this little thing over here. Take a look here. So you just pop it out and it's got this little pin. So sometimes they're very fine particles that might get stuck on your nozzle, and all you're going to do is take this little guy, pop it in there, and you can clean it out. Very, very important little guy that will help you when you're troubleshooting. Now, time for me to get cleaning. So guys, when it comes to high pressure cleaners, remember to take into account what you want it to do. This unit I'm using is a light and handy entry-level cleaner, perfect for the occasional use in and around the house. If you're looking for a guide to tackle larger cleaning jobs on a more frequent basis, well then I suggest you look at one of the larger professional models that will deliver way more punch. From simply getting dirt and grime off your car to cleaning paving, exterior walls, and even furniture, high-pressure cleaners can create a water jet between 100 and 220 bar. That's a lot. And because it's a compressed jet stream, you'll end up using far less water compared to using an ordinary garden hose. And in this way, making the job easier and saving water. Another really cool application for one of these guys is to clean your gardening equipment. I mean, wheelbarrows. The one way of making sure that they're going to last and not rust and crumple up, especially if you've been mixing any cement, is to make sure you give it a good cleaning afterwards. Like I said, when you get started, you're going to clean everything.